Hi everyone, this is Sam from Cloud Tech Well. Today we'll be looking at how to take EC2 instance AMA backup using AWS Backup service. So suppose if we want to take AMA backups on a hourly or weekly or even daily basis, or even using cron expressions, you can use AWS Backup service to take backups. So AWS Backup service will run the jobs on the particular time, whatever we are scheduling it. And it will take backups based on that. In order to test this AWS backup is working, so for this we are going to follow this below steps. So for this we need some EC2 instance. Next we need to go into create a backup vault. This will hold all the AMA backups stored in this. Whatever we are creating the backups, it will be stored in the backup vault. Next we need to create a backup plan. So here will be here only will be scheduling when we are going to run the backup jobs. Maybe it could be daily or weekly, hourly. All those things will be in the backup plan. Next we will be assigning some tags to the EC2 instances. All these backups all these backups can be, we can manually select the instance, or we can use tags to pick up these instances for backup. Next we will be assigning the resources in the AWS backup. Once we assign the tags, then we will be in the AWS backup, we will be assigning resources. Next we will be scheduling a backup. Once everything is done, once all these tasks are done, then we will be verifying the whether backup is created or not. Once everything is done, make sure you delete the resources as well. Now let's jump on to exercise. First log into your AWS console. You can create a couple of EC2 instances for this demo. If you don't know how to create EC2 instance, check my other videos. So I have created two instances, test instance 01 and 02. So we need to go to AWS service. Just type AWS backup service. Type AWS backup and the service will be listed. Now open the service in a new window. So here we need to do couple of things. First we need to create a backup vault. In this vault all our AMS will be stored. For example, I have already created one vault. So this is my vault. In this backup plan, I am creating AMA like on hourly basis. This is an old one. I will be creating new one, everything from the scratch. So here you can see that. So first we need to create a backup vault. For this, click on create backup vault. You can give the backup vault name. I am going to give backup vault 02. You can give some meaningful name. Choose that encryption key. I am giving the default one. Now next create backup vault. This backup vault help us to store all our backups in this vault itself. No matter how many instances you are running, all the backups will be stored in this vault. Now next go to backup plan. So we have created a backup vault. Next one is we need to create a backup plan. So first click on create backup plan. I'm going to build a new plan. Click build a new plan and you can give a backup plan name. I'm going to give backup plan 02. So if you want to add some tags, you can add it as well. Backup rule name. If you are going to give what rule you want to give, I am going to give just like backup rule 02. Next one is we need to choose which vault we want to store this. All our AMA backups. I am going to choose backup vault, which one we have created now. So next one is backup frequency. You want to run like hourly or even every 12 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. Everything is there, or you can even give some custom cron expression to run at a particular time. So I am going to give just hourly for this demo purpose. We can disable this because we are going only for EC2 instance, not for RDS. So next one is what is the time you want to schedule the backup. I am going to give customize backup window, so you can run it at any particular time. So they are giving this UTC time. So let's check what is the UTC time currently now. It's 3:42 p.m. So I'm going to schedule like 3:42 p.m. So I'm going to give like 3:50. Maybe in another 8 minutes this job will run. So 3:50 p.m. I'm gaming. So after this start within how, I mean like after this time when you want to start, I'm going to tell like start within 1 hour. and complete within 2 hours. So this is the minimum time we can give. What is the meaning means this backup job will run after 3:50, but it won't start exactly by 3:50 p.m. It may start by even 30 minutes later or something like that, but it will be completed within 2 hours. So if you want to transition to some S3 backup and all, you can give it. For the demo we are not going to give that. And the retention period is nothing but how many days you want to retain this backup. So I'm giving simply giving 1 days. You can give, so usually we'll be storing the backups in a weekly or sometimes in monthly as well. You can give that. It is an optional value, copy to destination. If you don't give any value, it will be by default it will be copied to that existing region. Suppose if you want to take the AMA backup to another region, just you need to choose which region you want to copy this AMA to backup. So we no need to change any something, just create the plan. So this is just a plan. After this we need to make sure our instances are picked up. So once we create the plan, next we need to assign the resource assignments. So this is important. This is from this only which instances we want to pick up, everything will be chosen based on this. I'm going to give some name like a backup plan resource assign, and just giving name. You can give some meaningful name. Again you can leave the default role. So next one is do you want to include all the resources or including specific resources? So we are going to choose specific resources. For example, because we are going to take EC2 as a backup, I'm going to choose EC2. Instance IDs, you can leave all instances, or you can even choose which are the instance you want. Suppose if you want to choose this instances based on a tag basis, we will add some tag in the EC2 instance. For instance, one tag is already there. I given like a backup equal to true. The second one, there is no tag. The reason why you are given tag is we can take backup based on tag as well. Instead of manually choosing, suppose if you have like some 50 instances, you can give some meaningful tags and take backups on this tag based. Let's click true. Just make sure you have same values everywhere. Next, here you need to choose key. Key is nothing but not name. We need to choose key. Keys we need to give name backup, because we are going to use backup tag, and the value condition is equals and value is true. So whichever the instance which has a key of backup and value of true, all the instances will be considered for backup. Next I'm going to click assign resources, continue. Okay, this will take some time because we are given like 350 as a time, so it will take some time. I will come back to you once the backup is completed. So now the jobs are completed. Here you can check in the dashboard itself like anything is completed or not in the last 24 hours, or else you can go to job section. Here also you can verify which job run. So we scheduled and it ran. This is the job it ran, and it is stored all the values in the backup plan. Whatever we configure in the backup plan to, it has taken backup. So now if we can go to backup vault, and we created backup vault 02. Here you can see that both the AMS, there are two AMS, two instances are running. Here you can check both instances are listed or not. So here you can see that both the AMS are taken as a backup. Like this we can schedule automated backups for our EC2 instance. So you can schedule on a daily basis or even weekly or monthly as well. So once you like done with your testing, make sure you delete all your resources. Go back to backup plan, make sure to delete all that one by one, otherwise the jobs will be keep on running. make sure you delete the backup plan and even backup alt as well. First delete this backups, then you can delete the backup alt. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. If you need any of the topics, just comment in the comment section. Thank you.